Well, what do you think, huh?
You spent all the money we made yesterday on these?
Yeah, I made some great deals. The Papa's gonna be real proud of me.
Sure. They make the rest of his cars look great.
You guys don't see it, do you? All I need is a little wash. Mike can tune them up. They'll be terrific. Where's Mike?
Went out to get us lunch.
Should have bagged his lunch. Customers expect on-the-spot service.
Dave, there haven't been any customers.
Thank you.
To have to be so nice to everybody?
Yeah. Thank you, Micah. I think I'll have the crayfish special.
An excellent choice. It's delicious.
Oh, it is? Oh, thank you. Do you come here often?
Oh, my heavens, yes. Every weekend.
This is our first time.
Well, I'm truly sorry you run into such foul weather.
You're sorry.
We're the Stolers, Ray and Evelyn, from Bloomington.
Walt and Rena Puffer from Atlanta.
How do you do?
How are you? How do you like our little neck of the woods?
Oh, it's beautiful. And it's so, historical.
Except for the prices.
Say, you might be interested to know that General Robert E. Lee himself spent one night in the old wing.
I know. I got his bed.
Yes, we have a deep love for this part of the country.
Walt's in land.
Really? I just got my real estate license.
Evelyn.
My heavens, congratulations.
Thank you.
Will you be primarily involved with residential or commercial?
Well, actually, mainly residential, although I know there's a great opportunity. Ray?
I'm sorry. Have we said anything?
No, you haven't said anything wrong. Excuse me, please, don't get up. It's my husband. He has a very bad back and he doesn't feel too well. Excuse us, please. Ray! Ray!
Hi.
Is your father here?
No, sorry, stuck with me again. How's your car running?
Well, it conked out on the middle of Highway 37, and the traffic was jammed up for miles.
Oh, I'm sorry. We'll have our mechanic look at it for you.
I don't want him to look at it. I want my money back.
Oh, it's no charge. It's part of customer service.
I want my money back, okay?
I can't give you your money back. Not until the mechanic examines your car.
Well, he should have done that in the first place. Look, you tell your father that I'll be back here tomorrow morning to get my money.
Hey, Mike? You didn't road test Michelle Simmons' car, did you? Well, it just broke down.
So what? I'll fix it.
She doesn't want it fixed. She wants her money back.
Well, tell her that's not the way it's done around here.
Don't tell me how it's done around here.
Dave, you don't have any money. Remember, you just spent it at the car auction.
Yeah, Mike, where do you see these cars?
You shut up, Cyril.
Don't tell him to shut up.
Yeah, Mike's the only one that could tell me to shut up.
Hey, look, no one told you to go to that auction.
Yeah, but somebody told you to road test the cars.
Hey, will you guys just cool it?
I don't have to listen to this.
All right. You're not responsible for your father's business.
I'm sick of hearing how responsible you are. What kind of business do you think your father runs, anyway?
What's that supposed to mean?
Dave, your father pawns off lemons to college kids who are too dumb to know they're getting ripped off.
All right. You've got your heating pad. Here's the magazine. Here's your bathrobe. You have everything you need.
Where are you going, Evelyn?
I'm going to sit in the lobby.
What's in the lobby?
Fresh air.
It's not my fault, Evelyn. I didn't want to come here.
I know it was a terrible mistake. We never should have taken a vacation together.
money, Paisam, but my parents keep me in a strict budget. They never fully recovered from my first encounter with a credit card.
Well, thanks, but I couldn't take money from you anyway.
Yes, you could.
Well, at this point, probably would.
Dave, look. Just tell the girl it's going to take a while before you pay her back.
I can't do that.
Then call your father. See what he thinks you should do.
I can't do that either.
Well, you can eat your roast beef sandwich, can't you?
Oh, I hope so, too.
It should be lovely. You should have a nice time.
Well, no, it's we really were on the way to Florida, you know, and then our car got damaged, and so we had to stop, and it's being repaired, and
So where did you take your car?
we took it to a little garage about 2 miles from here, and there was a mechanic there she was really just darling.
Oh.
I bet it was Daddy.
I bet it was.
Oh, I think that was his name.
Kind of stocky.
Yes, right. He took off his hat and he said, "Oh, man, you can't stay at this hotel. You have to go to the Whitehall Inn." Do you know him?
Yes.
Dave! Dave!
Hi, Dave.
Nancy, what are you guys doing in here?
Well, you forgot to give me the keys to the office.
Oh,
You did want me to come in, right?
oh yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry.
It's okay that I'm here, too, isn't it, Dave?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I found my tie. I just figured I'd wear it in tomorrow.
Yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking around here. But I don't think there's any reason for you to stay. I think you should just go home. We're not going to sell any cars tonight.
Why don't you go talk to him, Moocher?
Yeah, I think I better. Tow truck brought it in about an hour ago.
It really is a clinker, isn't it? All these cars are clinkers.
You know, Mike probably didn't mean what he was saying today. You know the way Mike is. He's just mouthing off.
I mean, I don't see what's so terrible about expecting your employees.
Dave, we're not your employees. We're your friends.
Oh, Evelyn.
Hi.
I must have dozed off.
Well, I guess you needed your rest.
Yeah, I guess so. Whew. I
I conked out the moment you left.
How's your back?
Oh, better. Much better.
Good. Gosh. Look at that moon. You remember that moon over Lake Michigan in Chicago?
Yeah. It wasn't good enough to see the moon from the pier. We had to rent one of those putt-putts. Go right to the middle of the lake.
You got seasick.
We really did the town, didn't we? A room at the Palmer House. Prime rib dinner at Lowry's. Dancing till dawn.
You taught me how to tango.
We went shopping for that nightgown.
You took me to Wrigley Field.
You still have that baseball?
Oh, sure.
Good. I had to fend off half of the bleachers for that ball.
We had a lovely honeymoon. I saw you looking down the hall.
Oh. Well,
That's all right.
you know, this place must be kind of nice when it's not so wet. Maybe we could come back next year. Well, that is if your boss will give you a couple of days off.
Well, I could ask.
Oh, Michelle. Look, I'm sorry I don't have you.
Look, I'm the one that signed. That's for you and your father.
I don't understand.
Our mechanic came in early today.
The distributor point wasn't tied down tight enough.
You know, he's really great. He showed me how the engine works and when I should change the oil in my car. Of course, you already know how great he is. Otherwise, he wouldn't be here.
Yeah. Hey, Mike. You saved my neck, you know that?
It's no big thing.
Yes, it was. Thanks.
Hey, you know, those cars you got at that auction, they look kind of shabby, but the engines are solid.
Hey, do me